Okay, here's my room at Coral Beach Resort in Myrtle Beach. It has a kitchenette, 2 queen beds, and a balcony with a partial ocean view. And the room is 1148. So 11th floor, 48 room. So we'll start over here. So you got a microwave, an electric stove, and a coffee pot with some coffee. And it says we proudly serve Starbucks downstairs. Got lots of cabinets. So there's a toaster, and I guess you can make some sweet tea if you want. There was nothing in that one. This one here, you got some bowls and saucers and plates. You got some coffee cups, some utensils, and some cups. Of course, the ice bucket. Got a cutting board and some dishwashing liquid. Let's see if there's anything under here I didn't see. There's lots of cabinets. So, freezer with 2 ice trays. There's a dishwasher rack when you wash the dishes. This is a full-size refrigerator and freezer, so that's nice. We'll go around here. So 2 queen beds, and that's your closet. So you have a safe and a luggage rack. I have my bag already in there, and also iron. There's a table with 2 chairs. And this is my key and stuff. The guy that checked me in, he was really nice, and I talked to him about the condos for rental, and he said this is a very popular and busy hotel, condotel. So you got TV, it's a Samsung, it's a 32-inch. You got some drawers, put your stuff away. Well, small seating area with a mirror, so you can get yourself all fixed up to go out to the club or something. Lamp, chair. You got the old style air conditioner, which almost all these condotels have. And sometimes they're a little noisy, but they work really good still, you know, with the humidity down here. So the 2 beds, you have a little nightstand here with your telephone, a little clock radio that's about to fall off, and the remote for the TV, light. And it has the plug in there, so you can plug in your cell phone charger, which we always have to do. Now, I got here late, but I'll show another view tomorrow of the view in the daytime. So I got 3 chairs here on the balcony. And of course it's nighttime, so but there's the ocean. And if you look down there, that's the kiddie pool. Dining area outside. Another part of the hotel. And then that's the one next door. And if you walk on this end, then you have a view of the boulevard. So you can sit out here and watch the cars go by, and then when it's bike week, you can watch the motorcycles. Yeah. So this is one of my #1 picks of the places I'm looking to buy. and I like it. I mean, we got to see the rest of the hotel, but this is the view that I want. I want an ocean view and a boulevard view. And this is the 11th floor, so it's a good height. It's the next to the tall. It goes up to the 12th floor. So this is the 11th floor. So yeah, I like this one. I just gotta show you the rest of the hotel. Got a very nice lobby, and when you pull in, they have the bell cart, so you can bring your stuff up on a bell cart, and also has parking on the front, and there's also 2 entryways to the garage. But since I'm driving the 4Runner, I didn't want to try going in the garage till I measure it, so I check it tomorrow. So I parked in the front, and luckily there was like 3 spots in the front, so I got one. It's a beautiful day in Myrtle Beach. Actually, it's a little overcast, and they said it might chance of drizzle or rain, so we'll see.
Cha-cha again. Turn it out. Turn it out. Take it back now, y'all.
Let's see how cold the water is. Let's get waving. Didn't quite get there. Get a little closer. This is the front doorway area. That's where you drive in right there, and they have the underground parking. And the old dumping place across the street. See the ocean door. I just realized I almost forgot to film the bathroom. So here's the bathroom. So got your 2 rolls of toilet paper and some nicely folded towels, and says about a resort shopette that they have with general store, gift shop, and groceries. Marble. shampoos and soap. And of course it is non-smoking. And there's tissue. And there's a shower. So it's got the standard shower curtain that these hotels around here have. Bathtub. Good size shower head there. But yeah, very nice.